Low King on your screen, back at it with a new video. Today we're gonna do a reaction, my first reaction on this channel to cars crash, like sports. This is different, sport car like Ferraris, Lambos. And let's go into the video. Leave a like, comment down below what you need next, and let's go. That was a Ferrari fall, bro. He did. He was like, I'm not paying nothing today. Alright, Ferrari. That's my favorite color. Oh, they in the Ferrari too. See the zipper. Bro, he's the edge, bro.
Oddio, fermati!
Mocniejsze i zdecydowanie
No przecież... Drzwi wyrywa z korzeniami. Och kurwa, pierdzielony.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's going 100. Damn. Rest in peace, Lambo. What happened? What is that? That's a Benz? Oh my, I look fire, but not anymore. Oh look, they were cornering. At least get the guy out. What is that? That's alright. No, look at this part flying around the highway. Oh, that. Nah, the RA is done. See? Ferrari drivers block. No! Oh my god. Oh my god. Damn, that's a Bentley on a Ferrari. I mean, Rolls Royce, whatever the cars.
Che fermo.
That was the first one. Alright guys, this is the end of the video, and I hope you enjoy. Comment down below. Peace. It's Low King.